Welcome back to Beautyistic, your destination for expert reviews, beauty breakdowns, and all things personal care. Today, we're diving into a high-efficiency styling tool that's been generating some buzz, the Ionic Smart X hair dryer with diffuser. This is a professional-grade blow dryer that promises to combine power with care, boasting Ionic technology, 3 heat and speed settings, and a self-cleaning function. Let's break down exactly what this dryer is offering. The Ionic Smart X comes in a sleek blue design with an oblong shape and plastic handle. It features a diffuser attachment for curly and textured hair, an ion generator to reduce frizz, and what the brand calls Smart X technology, designed to dry hair faster while protecting moisture balance. You've got 3 heat settings, 3 speed levels, and a cool shot option, fairly standard for a pro dryer. The standout, though? It includes a self-cleaning function, which isn't something you see every day. Now let's talk usage. Right out of the box, this dryer feels lightweight but solid. The matte blue finish is easy on the eyes and comfortable in hand, even during longer sessions. I tested this on naturally curly shoulder-length hair and also on thick wavy hair after a wash. Setup was effortless, just plug, set, and go. I used the diffuser first, and what stood out immediately was how evenly the airflow was distributed. It dried curls gently without blasting them out of shape, while still managing to define and lift the root. Switching to the concentrator nozzle and higher settings, it delivered quick drying times on par with high-end salon dryers. Frizz was noticeably reduced, especially compared to standard dryers without ionic output. Now about that self-cleaning function. It's a short blast that helps push out dust from the motor filter. It doesn't replace manual cleaning entirely, but it's a clever add-on that helps with long-term maintenance. Let's talk strengths and limitations. Pros? It's fast, quiet, lightweight, and the ion technology does make a difference in frizz control and smoothness. The diffuser is a standout, well-designed and genuinely effective. Also, temperature control feels accurate without overheating. On the flip side, the cord isn't as long as some other pro dryers, which could be annoying if your outlet's far from your mirror. Also, at this price point, a travel pouch or additional attachments would have been a welcome bonus. Speaking of price, this isn't a budget buy, but in terms of performance, it matches other salon-grade options like the Dyson Supersonic or JHD Helios. The Ionic Smart X holds its own with features like self-cleaning and a really well-designed diffuser. It may not have the luxury bells and whistles of Dyson, but it performs just as capably where it matters most, on your hair. Midway check-in. Is this review helpful to you? If it is, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so other hairstyling enthusiasts can discover this video too. Back to the product. Build quality feels premium, even though the handle is plastic. It's sturdy and well-balanced. The motor runs quiet and smooth, which bodes well for longevity. Ionic as a brand has a solid rep among salon professionals, and from experience, their tools tend to hold up well over time. I haven't needed to contact their customer service for this product, but they're known for being responsive and knowledgeable, which is reassuring when investing in high-end tools. If you're not quite ready to drop this much on a dryer, you might want to look at the Hot Tools Signature Series Ionic Dryer or the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium. Both offer solid performance at lower price points, though you'll be trading down on speed, heat control, and extras like the self-cleaning feature. So what's the final verdict? The Ionic Smart X hairdryer hits the mark for users who prioritize fast, frizz-free styling with minimal heat damage. It performs well across different hair types, especially curly or textured hair that benefits from a high-quality diffuser. While it could offer a few more accessories for the price, the drying performance, ergonomic design, and ionic benefits justify the cost, especially if you're using it frequently or professionally. Thanks for spending time with me here on Beautyistic. If you want to check this product out, the link is waiting for you down in the comments box. Got questions? Drop them below. Or if you already own the Smart X, I'd love to hear your experience too. Until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and keep your beauty smart, just like your tools. Catch you soon on Beautyistic.